MakeMo DTF Pricing Pro has just had a major update. Now you can upload up to 10 different designs, y'all. Check it out. Up to 10 designs. Perfect nesting on your 22-inch sheets. Just perfect. I need 12 of these, so I'm going to put in 12, and then I'm going to go in here and I'm just going to upload something else. Let's try this design, and I need 12 of these, so I'm going to put this in, and I'll just keep going. Let's just keep going. You can do literally up to, I'll do 20 here, and then I'll just keep going and until I can't go no more, like I'll do 20 of those, and you can just keep going and keep going until you're tired or until you just run out of that one. I need to size down a little bit, and I'll show you. So I'm going to go down here and I'm going to make my sheet. Gonna upsize the sheet. Well, the sheet is at 300. Let's see how much of that sheet I'm using right now. Right now we're using 292 of that sheet, so you can see this. Now that's not pixelated, that's actually the design that we're working with. So for this last one, if you notice, it's 11 inches, and so I cannot, the system will not make two side by side because it's 11 point, what was it? It was right at 10.9. No, which one was it? Which one? This one right here. So let's just downsize that and make it like 10.75. Get as much of it as we can get, and now we literally have a 300-inch roll sheet. You guys can keep going if you want. You want to keep going and you want to upgrade the sheet, and now you want to make that sheet be like 500 or whatever rolls. This is for my bulk printers. I had to do it, y'all. I had to come in here and do it and do something for y'all. Let's do this one, and let's make this one at 10.5, and I may even increase that size because you guys know that with the DTF transfers, you know that it goes up to a certain length. So right here you see it says 300. What we're going to do is we need to go here and increase our sheet. So we're going to increase this to a 500 row sheet. Okay, and then we're going to hit layout and pricing, and now it has increased that to a 500 sheet. And now we have design 1, we got 12 prints. Design 2, we've got 12 prints. Design 3, we've got 19 prints. Design 4, we've got 20 prints. And design 9, design 5, I have 80 prints. So when we look at this, it's like, oh, okay, now how much is transfer going to cost me? It's going to cost me $175, and so now I have the whole price and my net price that I'm selling my transfers for, right? And all I got to do now is generate the invoice, and look, we've got a perfect gang sheet that we're selling. Okay, now let's say I'm not selling gang sheets, and of course you're not going to sell your gang sheets as high, so you'll go in and adjust that. But let's say I want to change this into a client invoice. All I have to do is go in here and start adding shirts, and there we've got 133. I can add tons of different shirts, and I'm not going to add too many like different ones here just for the video. Says I can add up to 119. So let's say I add in all of those shirts, and then now I go back to generate the invoice, and now I have a custom invoice for my clients. You're going to enter in the sizes and all of that stuff. All I got to do is print this baby out or save it as a PDF, send it over to my client with a payment link, and I got my money, y'all. Okay, now that ain't it, because now it's time to download this massive file, which is 500 inches. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that right now. This thing is going to be huge. Now watch this part, because this is very, very important. And I'm going to even have to come in and bring in my desktop and kind of bring this part in for you guys, because you're going to need to see the very top of my actual desktop. So let me fix that, because you're going to get a browser notice when you download this thing. You guys are not going to see it, but I'm going to see it. Okay, so when you get ready to download this, you're just going to click on download PNG. It's going to inject your 300 DPI splitting engine. And I want you to look up here. You see all of those files downloading. You're going to get 5 files, because in order for it to keep it at 500 DPI, that's what it's going to do. Look at here. You've got all of your files for your order. Well, we got 6 files. We ended up getting 6 files. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, I'm sorry, guys. That is 5. This was something else. So we've got 6 files with all of our designs ready to go. And all we have to do now is upload that. And let me show you these files, baby. So there is the file 1. Okay. Show you guys this one. Look at the quality of the file and the quality of the artwork. It's there. That's it. All you have to do is upload this to your DTG machine or your DTG provider, and you are done. $27. $27 for a whole year. And not only do you have a gang sheet maker, you also have a pricing tool for your DTF, and you have a invoice. Okay, $27. I'll leave the link in the description. MakeMo.app/DTF.